Do you want to make your DJI Osmo 360 footage look cinematic? Here are my go-to setup, quick, easy, and pro-looking. First, switch to panoramic view. You want that full 360 goodness. Then, shoot in 8K 24 FPS. That's your smooth film style motion. But if you want slow-mo vibes, go 50 FPS instead. Exposure, auto. White balance, auto white balance, and make sure anti-motion blur is off. For that cinematic color, set it to D-Log M 10-bit. You'll get that rich tone and tons of flexibility in post. And if you're not color grading, normal 10-bit still looks amazing. Image tweaks, texture -2, noise reduction -1, keeps it clean and natural, not over sharpened. And don't forget to set bitrate to high. That's how you squeeze every detail out of this camera. So if you want one camera that does it all, immersive 360 and crisp 8K, grab the DJI Osmo 360 and start creating like a pro.